Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Next, we will look at creating contact groups and using the BCC feature in Outlook to ensure contact confidentiality when sending emails using contact groups. If you would like to review the process of creating a contact group, please review Lesson 2.6, Creating Contact Groups, in an earlier chapter of this tutorial. After creating a contact group, you can send the group an email message by simply addressing the email to the selected group name. However, you should not use the to or CC fields when sending the message, as the individual email addresses of the contacts within the group are then exposed in the header of the email to all members who receive a copy. Therefore, for confidentiality purposes, it is better to add the contact group to the BCC field when sending the email, so each member of the contact group receives a copy of the message, but cannot see the email addresses of the other members. To send the group an email message using the BCC line of the email in Outlook, click the Mail icon in the navigation bar to open the Mail folder. Then click the New Email button in the New Button group on the Home tab of the ribbon to open a new message window. To enable the display of the BCC address field in the message window if needed, click the Options tab of the ribbon in the message window. Then click the BCC button in the Show Fields button group to toggle the display of the field on or off as needed. Enter the contact group name into the BCC line of the message. Only use the BCC line when sending a confidential message using a contact group. This will ensure that no recipient can see another recipient's email address. Then finish creating the email message as normal. Then click the Send button in the message window when you are finished to send the email message.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.